The clouds are slowly dissolving away. At least that's what it looks like.
I know. I'm all smiles this morning. I'm happy. It's blue skies out there, which I'm a fan of.
Yeah, boat day today. If you're going out to the beach, a beach day as well. We're not waking up to the onshore swath of rain that we've seen the past few mornings. Although a lot of that is sitting off towards the north of us, towards the Tampa area near Sarasota. But we are seeing dry conditions on land here in Southwest Florida, even throughout most of our coastal communities. Although we do have a few showers off the coast of Charlotte County. And then we do have that thunderstorm sitting about 30 miles still west of portions of Charlotte County along the coastal area. So these pockets of rain moving slowly in a northerly direction, so the best chance to see any of that will be Venice, to see some of that activity coming in from the south. But again, waking up to a pretty quiet start compared to what we've had the past few mornings. I am watching, though, this one rain area coming off the Keys, working its way off in a northeasterly direction. So if that does hold together, we could see that working its way into southern portions of Everglades City and also into Marco Island. Now, we did have a lot of rain yesterday morning. In the afternoon, we did get a break. We did see a few rain areas, especially as we head into this morning, mainly off towards the north and along the Big Bend region of Florida, also into the Tampa Bay area. But as we take a look into our water vapor, showing you the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, we have a lot more moisture to go through for today. So again, with the tropical moisture still in place, and also with this, we do expect to see the heavy downpours at times with some of these rain areas that could work their way onto land. So since the grounds are already saturated, of course, the possibility to see some light street flooding can't be ruled out. But there's a look in the GOES 16 satellite. We are watching this one area right along here across the state of Florida, and the National Hurricane Center is giving it a 10% chance of further developing into a tropical system over the next 2 days and about a 20% chance over the next 5 days. So very weak chance of this developing as it continues to push off in a northeasterly direction. It will work its way, though, back out to sea in the Atlantic Ocean there. But as for us here in Southwest Florida, we're not going to see much in the way of weather pattern changes if anything were to develop. But off the coast of Africa, we do have a few waves there. Most of the Atlantic looking pretty quiet in this area. Then even into the Caribbean Sea, we still have a few waves. Western Gulf of Mexico looking quiet, and then the one area that we are watching. So again, we are nearing peak hurricane season, and that begins August 20th, and that extends all the way into September and also into the beginning of October. So again, we are still in the season, so if anything were to develop, we will let you know as soon as possible. But we're still going to hold on to that deep tropical moisture. As I mentioned, a lot of that does go away with this off towards the northeast. Could still see some heavy rain periods at times, and then we are going to watch out to see possibly something in the northern Gulf of Mexico even for the beginning of the work week. So again, we're going to start to see a few things firing up as we go throughout the next few months. But here's a look for today. Most of the rain, as I mentioned earlier, staying away from us here in Southwest Florida offshore, but we're still holding on to some scattered rain and storms, mainly inland for today, working their way off towards Lake Okeechobee for the late second half near sundown. But we're not going to rule out seeing an isolated lingering storm along 75 and the coast. Now, as we go overnight, after midnight, we're going to wake up to a few more showers in the morning. So most of you will probably be sleeping by 3:30 in the morning. For those coming home from a night out, well, you're going to see some rain coming in. So we are going to see some wet roads when you wake up, and then we are going to hold on to the cloud coverage and the opportunity for some more passing showers, few thunderstorms as we go throughout the day on Sunday. By Monday, Tuesday, though, we should be back to normal. By back to normal, I mean temperatures into the low 90s. Best chance of rain after the lunch hours. So even for Monday, we are going to see a quiet start to the morning, looking mostly dry there, and then scattered storms for the later second half. Temperatures near average for the morning, near average for the afternoon. Repeat for Tuesday. By Wednesday and Thursday, a few more clouds and temperatures only in the low 90s.
The Trump administration